Hi friends, welcome to Nishchala's kitchen. Today I'll show you easy egg dum biryani in pressure cooker. Yes, you heard me right. Dum biryani in pressure cooker. Let's start the process. For that, I took 1 glass of basmati rice. You can use normal rice as well, but you have to adjust the water level if you are using normal rice. See, clean the basmati rice nicely and soak it for half an hour. And also boil and peel 4 eggs and keep it aside. Now let's start the process. We are going to make this entire biryani only in pressure cooker. We are not going to use tawa or any other vessel. For that, take pressure cooker, add oil and fry these eggs that we have taken. This process is just to make the eggs look colorful. While frying the eggs, add little salt, turmeric powder and chili powder. Take them into a separate bowl. Now into the same oil, add 1 biryani leaf, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 2 elaichi and 4 cloves and fry them nicely. Once they are fried, add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. Once the onions are in golden brown color, add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. The recipe of ginger garlic paste is also in our channel. Do have a look at it. Now fry it until the raw smell fades away from the ginger garlic paste. Once the raw smell fades away, we will have to add tomatoes. For that, take 1 cup of finely chopped tomatoes. See, these are very finely chopped. Add it and fry until the tomatoes and the onions leaves the oil. While the tomatoes are still getting fried, we will add few more masalas into this cooker. Add 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, that is coriander powder, and half teaspoon of zira powder. Add them and give it a good mix. Now let's wait until these tomatoes are really soft, and once the oil is released from tomatoes, add 1 tablespoon of thick curd. And before you add curd, beat it really well. And one more tip, while we are adding curd into dishes like biryanis or any gravy curries, we have to keep the stove in sim and add the curd. Once it gets blended with the curry, then you can put it back to medium or high. Now add salt, turmeric powder and chili powder as per your spice levels. See, here I am just adding 1 spoon of chili powder and give it a good mix. Now we have to wait again until it releases oil. Once the oil is released, we will start the next process. The oil started releasing. See, we have to wait until we see the oil like this. Now add the eggs that we have boiled and fried and give it a good mix again. Now we are going to make the gravy that is needed for the dum biryani. For that, add 1 glass of water. We are adding water to make a thick gravy for our dum biryani in pressure cooker style. See, now I have added water and it is looking too liquidish. After a few minutes, this will become into a thick gravy. Now add 1.5 spoons of fried onions or barista. There is a video on how to make perfect brown onions in our channel. Please do have a look at it in case if you haven't. Now our gravy slowly started thickening up. At this point of time, add half a teaspoon of biryani masala powder. This biryani masala powder recipe is also there in our channel. Do have a look at it. Now give it a good mix after adding the biryani masala. This is the kind of texture that we are looking at. And then add finely chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Now take the eggs and half of the gravy that we have prepared into a separate bowl. This is for giving the top layer in our dum biryani. See, half of it I have removed and half of it I have left it in the cooker itself. Now we took 1 glass of basmati rice. For that we have to take 1.5 glass of water. I have taken 1.5 glasses of water, and once it comes to boiling point, add the rice that we have soaked and kept aside. Add the entire rice into it and give it a good mix. Now Do not forget to check the salt levels. The salt that we have added before is only for our gravy. Now we have added water and rice to it. So check and add salt as per your taste. While this is getting cooked, I'll show you something very special. The ingredient that we are adding now is pudina from my balcony garden. It's so refreshing and relaxing to pluck the leaves from the garden and just put it in your dish, isn't it? After one whistle, remove the lid and see our rice is almost cooked. Now add the eggs and the masala that we have kept aside as a top layer to our biryani. See, I haven't disturbed the rice at all. I have let it be the same way. I'm just making a layer with the masala and eggs that we have taken and kept aside. See, in this way, just spread the gravy and leave it. Now, take two green chilies, clean them, and just keep them like how I'm showing in the video. Now, add coriander and mint leaves that we bought from the balcony and turn on the stove and just close it with the lid without keeping the whistle and keep it in low flame for 5 minutes. Open the lid after 5 minutes and enjoy the yummiest egg biryani. See, it's easy, right? The style is almost like dum biryani, but can be easily prepared in pressure cooker. Do try this recipe at home, and if you like it, share it with your friends and family members. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do hit on subscribe button and let me know in the comments section how it turned out to be. Bye. Thanks for watching Miss Chilla's Kitchen.